What if I told you this PVC pipe is going to be a wind turbine? It is completely made from scrap like this fishing reel which act as a gear to increase the output RPM. To keep things simple, I use this tripod as a stand. But behind the camera, things did not go as planned. The turbine spins at high speed and one of the propeller got broke. And the worst part is I am in the middle of nowhere. But luckily I have fixed that. From scrap to spinning smoothly, not really smooth. Let's see how I build this turbine. To make the turbine propeller, I am using an old PVC pipe. I found this lying around the house. At the first I tried cutting it with blade. It worked but it took way too long since I don't have a proper tool for this job. Luckily I remember I have this grinding attachment for my drill. I gave it a try and it cut through the pipe perfectly and much faster too. After cutting these three pieces from PVC pipe, I marked them into a propeller shape and then cut them out with the same grinding tool. After cutting the propeller, I shave off the excess material with the cutter to make it more aerodynamic. Once I was happy with this one, I made three of them. To join the propeller, I am using this metallic disc which I get from hardware store. I found the center bed line intersecting line and then drill a hole right at the center. Just big enough for this nut to pass through. Next, I temporarily glue down the propeller on the metal disc and then create 3 holes on each of the propeller and then secure the propeller with these M4 nuts and bolts. With the turbine propeller ready, the next challenge is to figure out how to convert its slow rotation into a fast rotation for the generator. To do that, I am using this fishing reel. It's perfect for the job because in fishing reel, one rotation of the handle gets converted into 4 rotation on the reel. This gearing mechanism will sufficiently increase the rotation of the generator. I then disassemble the fishing reel and remove the up and down mechanism that is meant for the fishing line, as it would create unnecessary friction. Inside the reel, it was a little bit messy due to the grease. So after removing the up and down mechanism, after that I clean the gears with petrol and reassemble everything and cut off the excess material to make it more compact. After that, I glued the reel onto the board. Then I attached the turbine to the reel using some glue. Now the turbine is connected to the reel, ready to transfer its rotation. Oops. Luckily the turbine is safe. To connect the generator, I glued a screw onto the turbine output shaft. I am reusing the same generator and pulley setup from my thermal plant, which should work perfectly for this build too. So I removed the turbine and pulley from the thermal plant and install on the wind turbine. After installing the pulley on the shaft of the turbine, I then glue down the generator on the board and connect the pulley and generator with this rubber band. Now to make the stand, I am using this tripod and then lubricate one portion of the tripod so that it moves freely and enable the turbine to rotate in the direction of wind. Now to attach the turbine base to the stand, I cut out this mobile holder which can be then fitted on the tripod, and after that I use super glue to attach the part to the turbine base and then use screws for an extra strength. And just like that, the turbine can be then fitted on the stand and also move freely in the direction of wind. And then I use this metallic bar and a plastic sheet to make the back fin of the turbine. I use this heavy bar to balance the weight of the turbine. Now the turbine is ready. I took it to this beautiful lake and assembled it. But off camera, things did not go as planned. The turbine spins at high speed, lost the balance, and one of the propeller broke upon impact. To make matter worse, I was in middle of nowhere. But then I luckily got a piece of paper in my wallet. With a bit of creative problem solving, I used the paper and some super glue to fix the propeller. The turbine dropped due to the stand. So I secured the stand to the ground with some soil and a huge rock.
लोकेशन चेंज कर अब आएगा हवा 7 8 9 9.3 और 8
Sometimes its volt drop because its current actually vary on the speed of the wind. And then I found this 10-watt bulb on my bike. So I used this bulb on the turbine and surprisingly it powered it up. Because I am student, so I have to overcome some financial problem while making these videos. So if you wanna support me, consider Patreon. The link is in description. And I will see you in my next video.